Hello everyone, welcome to Factaholic. Norway is currently building its greatest engineering achievement, the Stad Ship Tunnel, the largest and most advanced ship tunnel in the world. This is an architectural marvel that will revolutionize maritime travel, costing around $308 million. It promises unprecedented features, with a length of 1.7 kilometers, a height of 37 meters, and a width of 26.5 meters. The tunnel is designed to accommodate large ships weighing up to 16,000 tons. But this is no ordinary tunnel, it cuts through the Stad Peninsula, one of the most dangerous sea routes in the world. That's why the Stad Ship Tunnel project is so crucial. But how is this ambitious project being realized under such hazardous conditions, and what innovative methods and technologies are being used? What is being used to make this dream a reality? To understand this, we first need to understand why the Stad Ship Tunnel is necessary. The problem is simple: the waters around the Stad Peninsula in Norway are among the most dangerous in the world. Norway, located in the heart of the Scandinavian peninsula, has a complex topography with mountains, hills, and an extensive coastline. Because of this, the construction of many tunnels has become essential to create safer transportation routes, making Norway the country with some of the longest tunnels in the world. One example is the Lærdal Tunnel, which is one of the longest tunnels in the world, stretching 24.5 kilometers. With huge waves, strong winds, and unpredictable storms, sailing in this region can be a nightmare. Rough seas pose a major threat to safety and often cause delays and high travel risks. This is why the idea of building the Stad Ship Tunnel emerged. Imagine this tunnel as a safe shortcut. Ships can pass through it calmly and be protected from the wild waves. This region has always posed a challenge, even for the Vikings, who were renowned for their seafaring skills. The Vikings had to drag their longships across the Stad Peninsula, the very place where the ship tunnel is now being built. This practice, known as portage, was done because the coastal waters were rough and hazardous. So, the need and idea for a ship tunnel has existed for a long time, since 1874, in fact. The idea first appeared in a Norwegian newspaper, Nordre Bergenhus. Initially, the proposal was to build a railway tunnel to transport boats across the peninsula more easily. That early vision laid the foundation for the current project, which was revived in the late 20th century and later included in Norway's National Transport Plan for the 2014 to 2023 period. With the construction of this tunnel, the goal is to ensure a safe journey for seafarers. This is about transforming a dangerous sea route into a safer, smoother passage, revolutionizing maritime travel in the region. What makes the Stad Ship Tunnel stand out is its unique purpose as the world's largest full-scale ship tunnel. It will serve some of the largest ships, such as the Hurtigruten, Havila, and Kystruten vessels. This marks a new approach to maritime travel and safety. The Norwegian Coastal Administration is overseeing this ambitious project. Although the budget continues to rise, originally estimated at $132 million, it has now exceeded $220 million. The goal of the Stad Ship Tunnel project is to provide a safer and more reliable navigation route for ships sailing around this challenging peninsula. But what exactly is the engineering process behind this coastal project? The construction of the Stad Ship Tunnel uses conventional road tunnel techniques, starting with underground excavation and the use of explosives to increase efficiency. Expertise in underground blasting is crucial for the success of this project. The construction process is expected to begin at both ends of the peninsula and then meet in the middle to form two connected tunnels. Once drilling is complete, the tunnel roof and walls will be reinforced with concrete, followed by the installation of service routes. The next phase involves the excavation of materials inside the tunnel, carried out gradually at each entrance by the renowned Norwegian architectural firm, Snøhetta. This is crucial to prevent seawater from entering and to ensure safe excavation below the water surface. The excavation is expected to produce around 4.4 million cubic meters of rock, equivalent to the load of 750,000 trucks. After that, the focus will shift to installing lighting and gradually flooding the tunnel. Then, the water-retaining dams will be removed. The massive amount of excavated rock presents a significant transportation challenge due to limited road infrastructure around the peninsula. As a solution, conveyor belts were used to transport the rock material before the main construction began. The Stad Ship Tunnel has undergone extensive research and testing phases to ensure safety, including simulations in a testing pool in Trondheim, specifically conducted to guarantee safe ship navigation through the tunnel. In addition, digital models were used to visualize ship approaches and manage tunnel traffic. The results of these tests revealed several important features. First, the implementation of a traffic light system at each end of the tunnel ensures orderly navigation. Second, the tunnel can handle up to one large ship per hour while maintaining a minimum distance of 400 meters between vessels. Additionally, the facility is also equipped to allow smaller boats to pass through the tunnel simultaneously. Ships navigating the tunnel will be restricted to a maximum speed of 5 knots. The completion of this tunnel will provide significant benefits to Norway's maritime operations. The main benefit of the Stad Ship Tunnel is that it provides a safe passage through the peninsula, significantly reducing the risk of accidents and casualties at sea. The tunnel is also expected to bring major economic advantages by allowing ships to bypass the Stad Peninsula. It will shorten the travel distance by approximately 56 kilometers, resulting in substantial savings in time and fuel for global shipping companies. This reduction in travel time and costs is expected to have a positive impact on shipping efficiency, ultimately leading to lower prices for transported goods. Moreover, this colossal tunnel will help reduce emissions from ships, contributing to environmental sustainability. Researchers estimate a fuel consumption reduction of around 60% for vessels approximately 40 meters long, and 30% for larger ships around 140 meters in length. However, this ambitious project has inevitably faced a series of challenges and delays that have slowed progress. Originally scheduled to begin in 2022, construction was postponed due to several key factors that led to significant changes in the project's timeline and budget. One of the main challenges is the innovative nature of the project. Building a tunnel of this size for ships is an unprecedented engineering and logistical feat. The Stad Ship Tunnel is not an ordinary project, especially considering the varied maritime conditions such as seawater and fog, which demand more advanced construction techniques. These challenges have required additional research and adjustments, causing delays in the project. The economic aspect has also raised concerns. A critical report in 2011 questioned the tunnel's cost-effectiveness. Infrastructure issues have also hampered the project, particularly due to the tunnel's remote location on the Stad Peninsula. Most construction materials must be transported by sea, adding to the logistical complexity. Currently, the focus is on preparing everything to begin construction. The Norwegian Coastal Administration is close to selecting the company that will build the tunnel and plans to sign the contract in the third quarter of 2024. Construction is expected to begin at the end of 2024 and take approximately 5 to 6 years to complete. If everything goes according to plan, the tunnel should be ready by around 2028 or 2029. This will be a major milestone in engineering and could change the way we think about tunnel construction for ships. That's the end of this episode. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for the next episode, only on Factaholic.